So, Shiv, I have a question here.
Mm-hmm.
Last yesterday, Saturday, you have covered GitHub sourcing or like how it is? Uh,
GitHub we covered this morning in weekend batch.
oh, so this morning I was not aware, and I was thinking that you have been covering this evening time in the morning.
So we decided to have 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. So
Okay.
morning we have completed GitHub.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's pretty
So,
much recording available. It's easy. Don't worry.
okay, okay. Fine, Shiv.
Okay, you
Thank you.
can pretty much get it from the recording.
All right, all
Okay.
right. Thank you. Yeah.
It's not too complex, but you just have to focus a few things and understand. GitHub and data miner we covered this morning. But again, it's in one class. This is something in one class we can't be mastering at. We need time to master at GitHub and data miner because it's kind of a until unless you don't practice and put into the real time implementation, um, it won't be possible.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Nothing, but otherwise, for an understanding point of view, we have pretty much covered.
Okay.
Just give me a second. I think Uma is also in. She joins us from US. All right. So to get started, I think like morning we discussed that. Evening we'll be discussing about two things. One is Stack Overflow, and other is what we say this one. How to generate insights on free version of LinkedIn. So generally, LinkedIn Insights is one of the expensive tool, and not many companies can afford to have it. Even a big to big companies will have barely one or two licenses, not more than that, because it costs quite expensive. I think like not less, nothing less than 10 lakhs. And just in case, if you want to outsource this talent intel work to some of the agencies or some of the companies like Aon have it, or um, there is few companies which does it. They charge it around 3 to 4 lakhs just for one slide. All right. So it's just that we are going to see the data. We're going to explore the data. We're going to get the data. But to put that data with the colorful slides, that is something an art uh, of someone who really works on slides heavily. They can do that. But otherwise, just to beautify the data, there are people who charge around 3 to 4 lakhs just for one slide. But otherwise, they also pull the data from the various things, and then they also use various tools to pull the data. But I'm going to show you something, one of the easiest way available for free, absolutely for free of cost, which can get you a talent insights based on the industry, based on the competitors, based on the pool available, based on anything and everything. So let's get started. This is going to be exciting and this is going to be interesting, especially for people who are working on talent intel reports. Piyush, this must be an amazing session for you.
Yeah, Shiv. I was about to say this. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Just give me 2 minutes, team. I'll just be back. Just give me 2 minutes.
All right.
Just hold on. Yeah.
हेलो आशीष जी। यार मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था, मेरे ना दोनों पेन खत्म हो गए हैं, तो मुझे आप एक पेन भिजवा सकते हैं क्या? मेरी भी मीटिंग चल रही है, प्लीज। है ना,
Sure,
प्लीज मैं
sure, my friend.
भिज ओह, आई एम सो सॉरी।
पीयूष, हमें यहाँ से भिजवाने हैं पेन? किसको?
संगीता, आई एम सो सॉरी, आई एम स्टेइंग इन होटल।
अच्छा,
आई
मुझे
वाज
लगा
गोइंग
हमें हमें ऑनलाइन पेन देना है यहाँ पे कोई।
आई एम सो सॉरी अबाउट दिस। हाँ।
Yeah, so let me just start sharing my screen. I think I'm already sharing. I guess I'm loud and clear with each one of us.
या शिव।
Okay. So yeah, as I mentioned, this could be one of the uh, one of an amazing session for you, especially for people who works on a lot of talent intel reports, especially in a corporates or any startups. So let's say now I need to find out. Let me just go to Google Sheet. Talent intel. Okay. So how do I start with the basic skeleton of talent intel? Okay, I just go. What is that? I need to identify. One is that competitor list, competitor list of competitors. Maybe company A, company B, company C, whatever the kind of companies. Let's say some of the food tech companies or e-commerce companies like Flipkart, Zomato, Swiggy, Paytm, so everything. Okay, now let's say list of companies. For this specific list of companies, and then for a specific job family, let's say job family, I'll just take any one job family as a software engineering. So software engineering is one of the job family, and then I'll say experience breakup, experience breakup. anything as such, generally. Or I'll say, so there are like two types of data. One is like high level data and one is like low level data. Just give me a second. Experience range, or what else I can take? There are various factors that I would consider, skills or anything like that. So skills or salaries or ranges, anything. So I can come up with a base skeleton, but where do I get the authentic data, which is valid? So let's say all these things I wanted to capture, where I wanted to capture a software engineering job family from all these five different companies. At the same time, I want to capture a number of people within the particular experience range. Let's say number of people with the particular experience range, let's say 1 to 3 years or anything like that, 3 to 5 years or 5 to 8 years, then 8 to 10 years, then 10 to 15 years. Like that, I just wanted to capture in each one of those companies. So what I will
Can
do in that case, yeah,
can you take the salary as well? I mean, 1 to 3 years experience, number of people, and the salary range. Can we take that?
salary range we won't be able to capture because
Okay,
LinkedIn won't give the salary ranges.
I
Okay.
got.
So all these things I need to capture. So all these things, how will I go capture? I'll go first from the low level. Let's say I just go on a free version of LinkedIn. I just go and search for Flipkart first. In a free version of LinkedIn, I went to Flipkart. Then I went to company page. After going to company page, I came to people. So this is low level insights. Previously also we pretty much covered, but let me just cover one more point. Okay, then we have overall these many employees. So let's say we just take India, and whatever the additional insight, where they live, where they study, what they do, their universities, their colleges, I can pretty much pull the list of colleges from wherever competitors are hiring, then what they do, then I can go with what's the size in the engineering size, or as per the business unit, IT and engineering side, then what are their skills? If I need a specific skills to add, I can also add specific skills. Then what are the studies? If I need additional studies to add, I can also add those particular studies. So all those things I can absolutely get for free of cost. Let's say Java from software from India. I need someone who is working on Java or Python or Golang. And let's say I'll just go with the drop down. Let's say Java. Okay. Additional skills we can add. I'll just go here. Python. So it will take Java or Python. It will not take both. It will take any one. India location, and it will take any one particular location. So similarly, various skills I added. Now I just go here. Let's say software, and SDE. Software development engineer, that will come there. SDE, or maximum people write SDE only. Okay, so we just gave search. We got 1824 based out of India.
Shiv, are you using the free version right now?
It's a free version. Okay, so we got 100 and 1824 who has given a title as software engineer or software developer or software programmer or SDE, working on Java or Python based on India. Now, again, in India, if I need to get the breakdown like this, I can pretty much get the breakdown something like this. India, Karnataka, Bangalore, then Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, New Delhi, Telangana, Maharashtra, all these things as per the location wise. Then again, I can get the breakdown of their studies. Majority of them are from BITS, and then MNIT, then IIT, Triple IT, and then NIT, Thapar. Pretty much I can see all the various institutes from where they are hiring from. And then what they do from the engineering side, we have majority of them. Then information technology, product management, research, all those things. And then additional skills also. So we have around 1477 on Java, 1263 on C++, then 1162 on this. So we're pretty much seeing a low level data of Flipkart. And then once we scroll down, we get all these profiles as well. So that pretty much we have covered in our previous session also. But again, once again, how do you actually go ahead and start getting this data on a free version of LinkedIn on a low level site? But how you get the data on a high level site? So is there a way which is giving me the holistic view of data across the industry, across the size of the company, across uh, the competitor list, all that thing? This is something on one company I can go and I can get the low level data like this. But now let's say if I wanted to get the high level data. So is there a way that I can get the high level data? So let's say now I just come to a home page, and after coming to home page, I just go for a business. After going for a business, I have something called here advertise. Okay, I'm not going to create any ad or nothing. Just in case if you have not created any ad, it will ask you to create. But by default, one ad account will be there. By default, for every account, there would be one by default account, ad account. Okay, just in case if you don't have it, then you have to create one. Okay, now I have already a 3, 4 accounts over here. Again, some accounts which I recently created while giving a demos at various companies. But otherwise, anyone can share a screen who did not, especially from the weekend batch. Please, you can go ahead and share it.
All right, Shiv. Let me share the screen then.
Let me just stop a share so that
Yeah.
others also will know how to create it. Yeah, you can share now.
Just a moment, Shiv. Um,
Anyone, if you're on a
yes,
laptop,
yes, yes. I
yeah,
am. I am just doing it. I'm just doing it. Yes. Can you see my screen?
okay.
Yeah.
Now just go to for business.
For business. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for
It's
business, go to advertise.
advertise. Okay.
Okay, just name anything, add account. Associate page not required. Just agree and create account. That is a company LinkedIn page URL you can give, otherwise not required.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now we have,
Yes.
yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Anyone, please, everyone, can you please try? Just go to your LinkedIn, go to business, and from the drop down, take advertise. And let me know.
It's written
Huh?
your currency is set to USD.
By default, it is set to US. You can change it to India, but we are not going to do anything. Currency, you can add anything. Any which ways, we are not going to create any ad. We are not going to share our credit card details. So that's fine. Don't worry
Okay.
about it. Anyone who is unable to see this page,
I think we are good, Shiv.
Avi, Amandeep, Anand, anyone from Weekend Batch, Dhanlakshmi, Mukesh, Naveen, Uma, Shweta, Sumati, Shrikant,
Yes.
Ritika,
Yeah, done, Shiv.
right? All are on this page, right? So now, Piyush, just hover
Yeah.
over new campaign group. You're already in the campaign group. Just hover over new campaign group.
Yeah.
There,
Okay.
click on, not there, below that plus campaign. Below that plus campaign. Huh.
Okay.
Just click on that.
Hmm.
Everyone, if you want, simultaneously start doing it. Okay, just name the campaign. Untitled, just say something name you. Talent Intel, you can name.
Yeah.
Okay, scroll down.
Hmm.
So you have your brand awareness, website visits. No, just scroll down.
Hmm.
Just scroll up a little. Uh, okay, scroll down. I think this is the first time you're doing. That's the reason it's not showing.
Yeah.
Tuk, tuk. Mm, add format. Okay, just click on brand awareness.
Hmm. Now it is showing this profile based and LinkedIn template.
Choose from a list of. No, just scroll on that. What is showing? LinkedIn template. Choose from a list of custom audience. Otherwise, rest others you'll be able to see on this page. You'll be able to see job applicants and all brand awareness, website visit. If you're able to see job applicants, go for a last option, which is job applicants. If you're not able to see job applicants, then go for a brand awareness and click on LinkedIn template. You can click on LinkedIn template, use.
Okay. Did that.
Okay.
Choose a
After,
LinkedIn template. Yeah.
choose a LinkedIn template. It's not there anything. Just scroll down.
Hmm.
Nothing is there. Okay, just go back to Piyush once completely from up, not totally from the browser. From there, just go back.
So,
Anyone, if you're stuck like this, just go back. Exit without saving.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you have two
Okay.
campaign group. As I mentioned, by default, you'll have one. Now you have created one, but by default, one was existing. Now you have two campaign group. Just go to campaign group. That is campaign. Before that, campaign group.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. New campaign group, quick campaign group. You have already, those are default one. Now take any one and click on plus campaign. Don't click on campaign group, plus campaign. Yeah, below one. Anyone, if you're stuck, go back automatically to your campaign manager. There you'll see your default campaign groups. Now scroll down
Yeah.
for more objective, like, okay, switch mode. Just click on switch mode.
Continue.
Continue. Yeah. Now you have come to advanced mode. Anyone, if you've seen only two options, like Piyush just now has seen, otherwise, 99% you'll be able to see these objectives. If you have seen the objective like Piyush, then you can always click on switch mode. Piyush, now you can click on job applications. No, not there.
Job applicants. Where it
Just
is,
name
Shiv?
the group. Just name the group
Okay.
first. That is job applicant. Just name the group.
Name the group. Okay. Hmm.
Now job applicants. All right.
Done.
Scroll down. Just give some start date, end date, some random budget, some start date, end date, give something. Start date should be before today, end date should be today or before today. Just go.
Because I think this will not go. This will only go till this.
This is scheduled date, start date, start end. Just set up that. Start should be, yeah, it's okay. You can just go with that.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Set with the budget also is fine. Anything you can select. But you are not going to give any card details, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
Okay, just go next.
The budget is required.
Just give 10, $20, whatever.
Yeah. The
100.
campaign group could not be created. Yeah.
Okay, add
Must
100.
be at least 100.
Just add 1,000, that's fine. Just add 100, that's it. No, no, just type 100, that's it.
Okay.
Just next. Next.
Yeah.
All right, now you have come here. Now this is where the magic starts. Okay. Now, default location, where is your targeted audience? Job applicants, campaign name job applicants, October 8th and all. Now here is a magic start. Where is your targeted audience? By default, it will be India, or by default, it will be set to the country that you are attending the session from or login from. Okay. Now, if you see on the right hand side, forecasted result, there are 11 million people in India who are available on LinkedIn. That is overall. All right. Now scroll down, slowly scroll down, Piyush.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Scroll down slowly. Now audience. Don't go for audience, go for audience attributes.
Okay.
Okay. Now audience attribute. Now click on audience attribute. Yes. Now here is a audience attribute. Click on company. Now you need company category, company connection, company growth rate, company industry, company names, all those things. Just come back to company. Instead of category, come back to company.
Okay.
Okay, just go and give whatever the competitor names you want to give. Company names you have, see.
In company category or company names. Okay.
Company names. Just give whatever the 10, 20 competitors you have. And it will give all similar companies on a right-hand side suggestions.
Correct. Correct. Sure. Perfect. Sure. I think we are good shape now. Yeah.
Okay. Now on the
Yeah.
right-hand side, number has changed, you see. Targeted audience is 1,40,000.
1,40,000.
Any
Correct.
number which is beyond 300, it will show. Okay. Now, if you want this 1,40,000 breakup as per their function, okay. Function, if you see, consulting 22%, business development 20%, accounting 11%, information technology 9%, engineering 7%. Instead of function, you can just click on drop down and see something else. You have seniority, you have year of experience, you have company size, you have industries. All the companies are more than 10,000 plus. Just see the experience, years of experience. So 12 plus years, 14% of people from this 1,40,000 are 12 plus years. 8% of people are basically of 5 years. 7% of people are basically of 4 years. 7% of people are again a 6 years. 7 people are again a 2 years. So that's a breakdown of a year of experience for that 1,40,000 people working in this company only in India. Cool?
Right. Right. Yeah. So,
Okay.
Shiv, what about the skills? If I need to know.
We'll come there.
Yeah.
Okay. This is about on a high level. Now, scroll down a bit. You have a narrow further.
Narrow.
You have a
Yeah.
narrow option. Yes. Click on narrow.
Hmm.
Now again, audience attribute.
Hmm.
Okay. Job
Hmm.
experience. Now here you go, member title, job function, member skills, year of experience. Go for member skills, year of experience, any which ways we are getting on the right hand side. Enter the skill that you're targeting for. Either you give a skill or you give a title.
Let me. Sorry. Yeah.
Just slide slowly, pick up from the drop down.
Okay.
Whichever the project manager is suitable or program management, just take all those.
Yep, this is it.
Requirement gathering, project coordination, project commissioning,
Hmm.
DPO, resource management. Okay, anything, whichever is relevant, you just take that. Okay, from that 8-10 companies, along with whatever the skills you have given, you have a breakdown of around 62,000. So overall, from the overall strength of that 10 companies is 1,40,000. And now, along with these particular skills with program management or program management or any such similar skills, from 1,40,000, we have 62,000 people who has this particular skill. Again, the breakdown of years of experience for the people who has this particular skills
Hmm.
with the years of experience and all. Cool. Again, narrow further. Again, audience attribute. Now see what you want to pick up. Companies already you picked up demographics. Take diversity.
Hmm.
Member gender. Pick that first box. No, first you need to give a consent. And see female from the 62,000, what is a female count? From the
Hmm.
62,000, 22,000 is a female count.
Oh, yeah.
And then again the segregation of how many years of experience in each.
So, Shiv, is there any methodology to convert this data into some beautiful, you know,
Yes. So take down these numbers in Excel
ah,
first. First come up with a
ah,
skeleton. Take down all
yes,
this
yes,
number in the Excel. Go for a
right.
chat GPT, which costs you just 20 rupees per month in a paid version, chat GPT 4.
That's
Upload the data,
$20.
$20.
$20.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just
yeah, yeah.
$20, which is not even 1,000 rupees, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is
Okay, upload
1,800 rupees basically.
1,800 something per month.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Upload the
yeah.
whole data, capture all these numbers in the Excel and
Hmm.
upload the data in a chat GPT and ask chat GPT to generate a talent insight reports from the data available in the Excel. That will generate a
Fantastic.
beautiful data for you along with the logos, graph, and everything. And if it is not creating, you can add additional prompts saying that add the logos of all these companies and the
Hmm.
graphs or all those things, whatever kind of a right table or whichever the kind of a graph what you want. You ask all those commands, you give it to ChatGPT, it will give you the beautiful data.
Got it, Shiv. Yeah.
Okay. And this data is absolutely for free of cost. Without even paying a single penny, you got the all breakup. And you have lot other filters also. You keep adding.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Okay, again
Hmm.
scroll down.
Yeah.
Okay, again narrow down further.
Hmm.
Again, audience attributes. Okay, company is selected, demography is selected.
Hmm.
Um,
Education.
Job experience, just go for a job experience again once again. You have selected the skills. Now go with the titles. You enter the title there. Yeah.
Okay, so now what else? Okay, so this is 380 plus audience with 12 plus
And
years
all
of
are 12
experience.
plus years.
This is 63%, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
And all are 12 plus years.
So Shiv, what is the
From this
accuracy of this?
380, there are 12 plus years of 63%.
Yeah, yeah, got it. So how accurate is this data? What
This is
is the confidence level?
accurate, 100% accurate, because this is pulling in
Okay,
the data
great.
from LinkedIn.
Got it,
Okay,
got it.
this is
Yeah.
basically a sales tool
Hmm.
where LinkedIn will, based on the data available in the backend, it will show the data, what are the numbers available. So that for advertisers on the right hand side, they can see the targeted audience and then the how much budget they would be consuming. Budget you ignore, but for a recruiter, we can use this as a talent intel.
Got it, Shiv.
It is more of like a LinkedIn availability pool, not an entire
LinkedIn,
organization.
based
Only
on
LinkedIn.
LinkedIn
Who
data,
are registered in LinkedIn.
based on LinkedIn data. Otherwise, if you see the LinkedIn Insights also will give you the data based on LinkedIn data only. It will not give you data from other tools.
Hmm.
It is purely giving you from the LinkedIn data itself. It is not giving you from any other data. And LinkedIn Insights itself is pretty expensive. What you got here is as per the industry, as per the segment breakdown, as per the skills, as per the title, as per the location. You have all the various filter what you want for creating the at least the base talent report. It's not basic talent report. Definitely, it is giving us lots of data, the
Right,
holistic
One,
view
right.
of the entire data. And now you
you
click
one,
on view summary. Just scroll down a
one,
little.
one question, Shiv, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, where is the location? Which audience attribute has the location? I
The
could not
first
get
is the
it.
location. Scroll down up.
Hmm.
As soon as you go, first would be the location. Okay. Here,
Okay.
targeted
Yeah, yeah.
location.
Oh,
Okay. Scroll down. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah,
And you
yeah.
see view summary of the report.
Where is this summary report, Shiv?
Scroll up little. Scroll down.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no. Scroll down, down, down.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Hmm.
Scroll down. Okay. View
View
audience summary.
audience.
Okay.
Hmm.
380. And that's it. This is the data.
Perfect, Shiv.
What you have. You
Perfect,
got it.
Shiv. Yeah, yeah. So these are my competitors basically. Day in and day out, I used to work on this data only.
Exactly. You just present it to leadership now. These are the competitors, these are the skills, these are the experience ranges, these are the
Hmm.
titles, these are the genders, and this is the data.
Perfect. Makes sense.
Yeah.
If
What else
it
you
Hmm.
is
want in talent intel report?
it is India based, or I mean, we can go further like Bangalore.
Across the globe you can go.
No,
The
I
report
mean
currently we
Bangalore.
have generated for India. Otherwise, you can go for across the globe.
Oh,
If in case we would like to slice and dice the location by means of Bangalore, Hyderabad, so still it will be visible to us or like how it is?
What?
If
You
we
can
need to
give
slice
location
and dice
Bangalore.
the information by means of Bangalore, Hyderabad,
You can
Delhi,
enter,
Mumbai,
remove India
we
and
can do
enter
that, right?
Bangalore, Hyderabad, all those locations.
Got it, got it. Yeah, yeah.
Any location, any location. Only the concern here is, only the thing is, if your overall data is above 300, then only it will show you. Minimum, it has to reach 300. If it is below 300,
Okay,
it will not show you. But minimum 300 for whichever the given skill, if you give 10 competitor, by default, it will be there.
okay, got it.
Rarely it will not be there. Then you can say that, see, this skill itself is niche. Where in entire
Hmm.
India, I just give a India and the skills. I don't even have 300 people. Where do you expect me to source these profiles?
Shiv, can we do one more time, please?
You can clear all.
Okay, so how we need to go to
She
the
one
new
more
Reset
timeline?
doubt.
audience,
Here 12 plus years, 63%, and remaining 37% actually. So
below 12
means less than
plus.
12 years.
Below 12 plus. So
Okay,
reset audience,
but why it is not showing actually
it
any?
will show the maximum percentage. It will not show the entire stuff. If it the data, if it is more than like 1000, 2000, then it will give you the breakdown. The data is barely 380. As I mentioned, minimum the data has to be 300. Then it will show you.
Oh, okay, okay, got it, got it. Yes, yes.
Okay.
If is
Just
there
scroll
any
up and
limit?
reset the audience.
Is there any limit to create number of campaigns and save it, or we delete it and create another one?
No, you can save unlimited. Just save audience, that's it.
Okay.
And
thank
after
you.
1 month, you just come, revisit and see the changes in the data, and that's it.
Can I just shave this, Shiv?
Save it,
Okay.
save audience.
Yeah, Shiv, one question. The skills that it is speaking, is it the skills which is mentioned on the LinkedIn or the keywords which are mentioned as a part of a summary of the profile, or both?
On a candidate profile, under the skills, whatever the candidate is mentioning the skills, from there it is picking up. It is not taking
Okay.
a text part of the candidate profile, candidate LinkedIn profile. Under LinkedIn profile, in a skill section, what the
Okay.
skills
Understood.
candidate mentioned, it's picking up from there.
So Shiv, this is not
In a title
saving.
session, whatever the candidate, name the name it title, something.
Name this audience. Okay.
Name it. Project management, TI, PMTI.
Again, this is not coming up. Yeah, don't know why.
I think you need to disable those tools. LinkedIn
Which
audience
tools?
cannot be saved. However, you can create a copy of selecting save as a new. The audience will be saved to Piyush ad account. Anyone with access to this account will, okay. Save new. Okay, copy. However, you can create a copy by selecting save as new. Just close this and see if you have an option to save as new. Anywhere, just control it and see. Scroll up.
Saved audience.
Click on that. No, audience, just click on that. I think it's gone again. No, it's
Oh
gone
shit.
everything.
Oh.
Okay, that's fine. Just go click on job applications. Create a new group.
So Shiv, for
Just go back.
this, again
Come
going
back.
back.
So start fresh. Save and exit. Just save and exit and see. What does it say? It will ask the name. Save and the server had an exception, something saving a campaign.
Mm-hmm.
Name is also not given. You need to name the campaign also. Exit without saving. You have not named it. Just close that otherwise.
Yeah, it will go
Okay, now you have 3
start
total
up.
campaign group. Just click on any on the campaign group.
So every time we need to use these campaign groups only, or like how it is?
No, you can create a number of campaign groups. Just click Sourcing Express TI you mentioned now. Just click on
Yeah.
campaign. Just see. No, that is a group you click. You don't have to click on group. You have to click on campaign.
Plus campaign, right?
Ah,
I think Shiv, there is showing some more. So more might be the case. There has been some
no,
information or
nothing
something.
like that. Just scroll
Okay.
down now. Okay, it got reset altogether.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it's pretty much saved. There's the option to save. I have a number of campaigns saved on my thing.
Hmm.
You can start again if you want. Just select audience.
Just a moment, Shiv.
So team, anyone else wanted to share a screen and go through?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shiva, I can do that.
Yeah, please
Please
share.
go ahead. Yeah.
Niti,
Let
right?
me
Yeah.
stop
Yeah,
sharing. Yeah.
Raghu, you have a question? Raghu?
No, so it was earlier. I don't.
Okay. Niti, go to campaign group first. Don't go to campaign, go to campaign group. Not there. Before campaign, there is a campaign group.
Here.
Yes. So already 3 campaigns are there. Just go to any one campaign. Hover to any one campaign. Click on plus. Advanced. Okay, you're in advance. Okay, just go next. Okay, scroll down. No, no, that and all leave it. Scroll down. Scroll down. Job applicants. Select job applicants. Slightly scroll up and you have a
Where?
job applicants. So purpose of campaign. Yeah.
Yeah.
So select job applications. Okay, scroll down. And yes, you are here. So location, whichever location you want to edit, you can edit.
Let me give anything outside India.
Remove India, anything, any location.
And yeah.
Okay, scroll down. Narrow audience. Enable audience expansion will give you, let's say, software engineer, software developer, software programmer, all those things will come. Similar
Okay.
titles will come, or anything which is similar will come. But otherwise, you can leave it as it is if you're specific about it. Then now go to audience attribute. Now, if you have any companies in mind, you can mention those companies over there. But otherwise, you go as per your wish, whatever you wish to. So there are totally 63 lakhs people over Poland who are available on LinkedIn. So yeah, you can click on job experience. Now, function, seniority, titles, member skills, whatever you want, you can click that.
Shiv, I have a question here. How can we benchmark this, that this designation is going on which company and this designation is parallelly in my company? So anything around this piece?
So this is high level. That's reason previously I showed the low level. If you're going to the company page
Oh,
and seeing the data from there, then low level
hmm.
data you capture from there. High level data
Okay.
you capture from here.
Okay.
High level data for multiple companies you capture from here. If you want a specific company, their titles, their pool, then go there and capture from there. Here also you can run a specific company. Let's say you just give only one company, you'll get all the audiences, how many people in that company in this particular country. You give those relevant titles, and then it will show, okay, this number of this many people with this many number of titles. Then you go to the segment breakdown, click on year of experience, then you'll get the breakdown of software engineer, like all those titles clubbed together, software engineer, software developer, software programmer, all the titles clubbed together. Let's say you have 1,000 engineers. Then once you click on segment breakdown, you'll get a breakdown of that 1,000 engineers. How many are senior, how many are junior, what are their experience ranges, all those things. So Niti, for your target audience with C++ and relevant skills, you have
Yeah.
around 3 lakh people. No, no,
That
audience you never touch. You have to click only on audience attributes.
attribute. Okay.
Audience is only if you want to do some advertisements and all, but otherwise, audience attribute is for recruiters. Demographics, if you want, you can see what is the number of diversity available. From 3 lakh, only 39,000, 10% of diversity is available. You can pretty much present the report saying that I've checked, but from C++, only 10% is a diversity available. But otherwise, you can
Yeah.
untick this. Otherwise, the data will become very less.
Okay.
Okay, select something else.
Shiv, I have a question. In this associate a company page, what do we need to mention below that ad format?
No, no, no need to mention anything. You can leave it
Okay.
blank. Any which ways you're not giving an ad. It is mandatory only when you're posting some ads.
Okay. So it is asking for company or showcase page is required. So
Not are you posting an advertisement? If you're posting advertisement, then only it is required. If you're not posting any ad, it's not required.
okay.
Okay, so for 3 to 8 years, you have a pool, 1 lakh pool. Now again, click on that function. You go for experience range. Entry level, you have those many. Now within that 3 to 8 years, if you want a breakdown, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, you have a breakdown here. What is the company size? These people are working. So there are 10%
Okay.
of startups, 10 not 20% of startup where employee strength is 11 to not 20, 10, 20, 21, 30, 35. 35% of people working in a startup where employee strength is 11 to 500. You can build a story from that.
Uh,
What kind
interesting.
of industries? IT services and consulting, technology, information technology, development, financial services, business consulting services. You can add that.
More into IT services. This is surprising.
Yeah.
Like I thought maybe more of a product companies. Okay, so we have a few attributes, functions here.
Not few, those are many. You start capturing all that thing in the sheet, then you'll see how heavy your sheet will be with the information.
Yeah. Can we use data miner here, Shiv?
No, we can't use data miner here. Data miner is on an individual profiles. This is giving us a holistic view of the data.
Okay.
You go to individual profiles, you give a search in LinkedIn and then go for a data miner. That's a different thing altogether. Click on that. Okay, or you can say instead of and, just click on or. Click on and. Now select this or. So this will give you either 3.3 to 8 years or with the skills. So now what you have given earlier, skills with year of experience. Now you want,
Right.
no, I don't want skills with year of experience. Rather, I want skills or title, like software engineering title or software engineering skills. You can give that. So and also combination you can work.
Okay. So here I can close this and can choose the
Narrow the game.
title.
You can go for a title. Job experience, title.
Engineers.
By default, it knows that whatever the searches you have given, their each titles are software engineers. So it is giving you that.
Yeah.
So do one thing. First, you select the first title, whatever is there on the right hand side, select the relevancy from that, then go for a second selection. So like that you go, so that you have a better suggestions. Unselect everything first. Now
Yeah.
select which is the most relevant title for you. Okay. Now you have the most relevant title for a software engineer. Select all those ones. So that, again, it's a machine. You're teaching your machine slowly.
And now I can try this or thing.
Right? Yes. Now you see the data has gone high. 1,20,000. From 30,40,000, it has gone to 1,20,000. Whose skills are either these are the title or these are the skills, C++ related skills. And the year of experience, you have a breakup. Within that, 3 to 8 years only.
Great data.
And
Only thing is we
absolutely
have
for
to,
free of cost.
yeah, we can't, we have to do it manually to capture this data.
No, you just go view summary and capture. No? Scroll down. View
View
audience
summary.
summary.
Okay. Okay.
Capture it. What are the skills? What is the location you have used? What are the skills you have used? What are the titles you have used? And what is the year of experience you have used? So it's giving me and who meet any of the following criteria. Like how will it read people with English in their profile language, location, this is language. Just see people with English in their profile language. Can you change? Just close this. Just see that if there is an option to select multiple languages.
See, one more thing. See, member skill, it is like everything is a or, no, not and.
She has selected or. We can
Can you
select
select?
and or.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shiv, one question. In the summary, these numbers are not coming, is it? Only like I can see no
Numbers
numbers
are
there.
coming. Numbers are coming. I'll tell you. Just slowly scroll down, Niti.
Yeah.
Okay, now, no, slowly scroll up. Okay. Audience, wait a second. Go little slow. Don't go through that first. Scroll up completely up. Completely go up. Slowly come
Yeah.
down. Slowly. Slowly. Okay, your audience has profile language set to English.
Okay.
Now check if
Like
you have
English.
Polish.
Okay.
So there
Yeah,
are
we
other
have Polish.
77,000 which has Polish candidate. You have a data of 77,000 which are Polish. You have a data of 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 30,000 which are English.
So this is and. So 1 lakh plus
No, this
77.
is allowing us to select only one. It is not allowing us to select here multiple languages.
But there is no overlap in these profiles, right? Those are separate profile which are made in English, and these are
Exactly.
only
These are
in
separate
Polish.
profile which are made in Polish.
Okay.
Click select English now. Just your audience size will vary depend on the language selected here. English may be selected as a default language even in areas where local language is available to the all now. So yeah, you can select in Poland if there are any other people, Swedish people or Russian people. Just check Swedish. How many people are Swedish in Poland? No, we don't have enough people Swedish. German, Russian 5,700. It has to be minimum 300, then it will show.
Okay.
Who will write Hindi LinkedIn profile? In India only, you will not get it. People doesn't even know how to write Hindi now.
Even I was curious about that today.
No, people don't have Hindi LinkedIn profile. Barely
Maybe
less than 100, I will say.
select Dutch. It might be there.
Dutch select. Dutch, Danish. Yes.
Maximum is Polish only, being a
Any
Poland.
language. Now you have a data of Polish, you have a data of English. So you take a screenshot of both and do that matchmaking, whatever you want. Within 3 to 8 years, whatever you gave within this location, within this Polish data of profile, and then targeted audience, all those things. Now scroll down.
Sure, I have a question. Any chances that we can, see like where are these 5 years, 18% candidate? Any direct, way to go and see those profiles?
So previously, before coming here, we did low-level insights directly on the company profile. From there, you need to go
Okay, company wise.
on company-wise. Otherwise, just give in a LinkedIn itself a free search. Whatever the titles, whatever the location you're giving here, give the same search over there in a LinkedIn version, you'll get it.
What is this option? Audience.
This will give you all the variation of members with bachelor's degree, corporate HRs, all those things. So it is taking everyone. Now you want only specific IT people, untick everything, select only IT. From
Okay,
audience, click on audience.
Yeah.
No, just now you clicked, right? Saved audience. After that, there. Information security. All right, information.
Software
Software.
engineer profession. Existing
Okay.
selection will be replaced.
So again, you need to reset everything to get only software engineering professional. Earlier it was selecting all the professionals.
Okay.
So here you can select all those audience. So again, that's a data for you.
I can select only one at a time. Yeah.
By default, everything will be selected. But if you want one at a time, you can select one at a time. Remove all. All is selected. Yeah, I think it is gone. Now location India is coming. You have to
Okay.
reset that and you can. So cool.
Everything is
So
gone.
that's
Yeah.
about Talent Intel report on a free version of LinkedIn, absolutely for free of cost. So much of data available for you, which can help you create a high-level talent intel report. And if you want a low-level talent intel report, you can definitely directly go to the company pages and take a data from there. Does that make sense?
Definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, Shiv. I'm just thinking of this, how to use it now.
Okay,
Correct.
if you are someone who is day in day out working on talent intel reports, then this is a go-to place for you. Absolutely for
Correct,
free
correct.
of cost. Come up with an exhaustive report absolutely for free of cost. I would definitely suggest to sign up on ChatGPT paid version, capture all the data, all the
Correct.
things in an Excel. Once you capture the data in an Excel, upload it to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT give a prompt to come up with a talent intel report based on the data available in this Excel. Also use company logos and come up with the graphs as well pie charts. Then you see what magic ChatGPT would do for you.
Sure, sure.
So
One
Shiv,
question.
we will be
That
sorry, Raghu. Yeah.
yeah, sorry. Okay. The data was there not there in the report, no, Shiv. Like it was showing only the filters whichever you applied. Numbers were missing.
Raghu, not Raghu. Piyush, can you share that screen once? If you have that
Uh,
thing ready.
just
Numbers
a
won't miss, Raghu. Focus.
On the side
numbers
I
will
could
be
see,
all
but when you go to report, no, the final report, it's
In
only
report
showing.
also, I'm telling you. Let me just
oh,
take over Piyush otherwise. Let me see in case
all
if I
right,
have
all
anything
right, all
ready.
right, all right. Please go ahead, Shiv. Yeah.
So no.
Jim, how come your name is coming in? um, is
I
that your
don't know how many I created.
no? Is that your screen or Piyush's screen?
It's my screen.
Okay, I got confused. I
Okay.
thought your name is coming in.
Like if I see the audience summary,
Yeah.
number would be on top here.
Okay, okay, sure.
And then whatever the filters I'm using here, all those filters will be here. Overall
So Shiv,
numbers will be on the top over here.
right. So Shiv,
Okay.
do we have a chat GPT sessions as well where you will provide us some?
We have next weekend we
Okay.
have.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
हाँ बना रही हूँ स्टार्ट कर अरे वो कुछ लिंक्डइन पे करवा रहा था
Yamini, go on mute.
It is actually giving us so many things in free, apart from the paid course. Thank you so much, Sid.
What, Mukesh?
You are giving us so many things, which are free of cost, apart from
It's
the
absolutely
main course.
freely available for you.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Shiv. You are actually, doing lots of things which are free of cost for us.
Yes, this is a very excellent data. Actually, majority of the employees will be on LinkedIn, 90% at least, if not
No,
100%.
not only this, apart from this, he has given many things, to us, which are not included in the curriculum, I believe.
Definitely, no doubt.
I gave this thing that Sokjan was telling. LinkedIn people, they themselves will come and do the training, but what you have covered, I don't think even they know about this.
That's amazing.
That is true. That is true.
Huh?
That's true, Shiv. Even LinkedIn people don't know these detailing.
So job titles.
Even I'm
and
using from last 11, 12 years this LinkedIn. I have never used those.
If just one query, that data mining you told in the morning session, can that be used for the LinkedIn site also or only for GitHub?
No, didn't get your question.
That data miner in the morning, which you said, we can use on GitHub site to take out data. Can it be used on LinkedIn
Across
also?
any website.
Okay, I tried using on LinkedIn. It said columns are not there. So I don't know what it meant.
No, it will be. Okay. So now,
Shiv,
so I'll
from where
select any of these two.
we get this and or? I'm not able to catch this point. And or from where we are coming in from?
You click on this and only.
Okay, got it.
If you click here, end up here, and or. So select two or more blocks that you would like to or together. So
Okay.
either this or this.
Hmm.
So 21 lakhs. So the data is doubled. And after that, I'll say exclude audience by attributes again. So business development I'm getting, right? So business development, all this got excluded.
But Shiv, is the skill set taking as a and or a title is taking as a or?
So between title and keywords, I gave or. Now this is member skill where I'm excluding now. Exclude
That's
people
fine.
who have any of the following.
I want to
I
understand
don't
like
want this consulting. I don't want this business intelligence, business objects, or business
understood.
development.
I was looking at you gave a Java related stuff, no Java, OOPS concept.
I'm
Everything is
looking
taken as
purely
and.
for engineers.
Okay.
Where these people are also coming. So I want to exclude these ones. Like engineer and information technology. I don't want to see this QA education operation. So I'm excluding those ones. Operations is coming. I don't know which operation is showing up here. Okay, then I still there are some people who are in this category, but now majority of them are in this category. Segment, year of experience. 12 plus years. We'll say narrow further. Not always comes later, so narrow is still here only. So I get 3 year, 4 year, 5 years, 6 years, 7 year data. So to save it, I think I'll have to create an ad. That's how I'll be able to save it.
Sorry to ask once again. See, when I looked at when we had a skills, it's showing as an or, it's not taking as an and for me. I was looking at, see.
I've added R only.
No, skills, I'm talking about skill, Java, core Java. I wanted to be like a Java and Python and Spring Boot.
No, it will not take like that. It will take
won't.
either of the location because it's a drop-down functionality.
Okay.
Okay, now let's say instead of or, I wanted and. I made this and now. So the data is little less.
Okay.
Now just go here, view audience summary. Here, 8,700, sorry, 87,000 potential LinkedIn members, and then location and job titles and experience ranges and member skills and all this. These skills excluded, these skills included. So yeah, that's pretty much about talent insights on LinkedIn, free version of LinkedIn. How do you actually get?
Very good, Shiv. Actually, in fact, I did not check in my company like how many people are with 12 plus years experience. I could make out from this list actually.
You
How
can make
many
out right away.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yes. Record. So yeah, it is saved. So I think you'll have to keep working, start enable some this thing, then you'll get it. Okay, TI SW roles. Saved audience, sweet TI SW roles. Now, anytime I just wanted to come back, I can. So yeah, I got that back. So yeah, that's absolutely free for Talent Intel. that you can use it.
So, Shiv, how you managed to get this saved? Like it's a permutation combination what you have done, or like how it is
Means what?
for saving this TI?
No, I did normally. I just saved it. It got saved.
Okay.
So I think you just do a few times. Maybe for the first time it is giving you an error. Get used to do
Shiv,
it multiple times.
I'm now able to save.
Maybe
Previously, it was
first
not
time you're
possible.
doing it, so that could be one reason. Just try doing it multiple times, then you may be able to save. Just create 2, 3 accounts this week. Maybe next weekend we'll connect and we'll see. That's pretty much got saved. That too on the account which is on hold. Account on hold means payment method is not there. So one account I got it for free. There is already a 10,000 budget. The 2 accounts are still there. I don't know, somehow it got created. So I'm just still continuing to use it. And any agency owners here, if you have uh, if you're part of any agencies, if you have your consulting firms, so let's say just go to LinkedIn and then go to your company page and click on analytics. Then see, you can add competitors and you can see how your competitors are trending and how are you trending on weekly or a monthly basis. What kind of a posts are getting trended, number of posts, total engagement, total post, all this stuff. So this list you can still add, you can build, you can just edit competitors and you can add. You can always do that.
The option will not work for corporates. Like I'm working for a company and I wanted to see the competitor and trending things.
You'll have to connect with your branding or digital marketing team who has these rights, who is maintaining your company page.
Okay.
All right. So that's about Talent Intel on a free version of LinkedIn for absolutely free. So you can save a lakhs of rupees for sure. Can you save?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yeah.
If
Absolutely,
you're
Shiv.
from the Talent Intel team, then you'll realize the strength of this.
Yeah.
Huh? If you're from Talent Intel team, then you know what is worth.
Especially for a recruitment team, it is more of we can go back and challenge the directors who are ask for give me a pool of candidate. We can go back and say that availability
You
is
can
this much
showcase the
only.
data. This much is the data is what available with this, the skills and
Yeah, they need
everything.
to fine tune their search. That's all. They need
Yeah.
to fine tune their skills.
So yeah, I'll just take a stop a share, and I think that's it for today. We'll close on the talent detail report. Maybe next weekend will come, and how much is left, we'll try to cover by next weekend. Let me just share a screen.
So Shiv, do we able to get the recording for this as well?
Yeah, everything I'm yet to record. Sorry, recording is done. I'm yet to update.
Okay.
Okay, for weekdays batch, Stack Overflow was done. Is it?
We'll do it next week. So all about Google, we are done. We're done all the stuff on Google, including creating a CSCs and the nested searches. AI tool that I'll do it later, not now. Otherwise, we'll get overexcited. So all about LinkedIn, dive deep on LinkedIn, dive deep on basic version, an additional feature, 10 plus features done, 4 ways of diversity done, how to spot candidate actively looking for a new job on a free version done, how to leverage LinkedIn.com to drive employer referral and generate leads from employees LinkedIn network done, Shweta has already started doing it. This morning, she was showing her screen and she was showing that how many leads that she's receiving on a regular basis. And then optimizing the LinkedIn profile to attract candidate and brand awareness done. How to leverage a free and paid LinkedIn job post done. How to identify anyone's email ID. That's by using SalesQL, which is done. But we'll do one more session on this to identify the number of extensions like that. Then AI tools and extensions for candidate engagement. Next week, stay tuned. This is going to be an amazing session. Free ATS and other tool that streamlines the hiring process. Done. That is by Jamacha. And then how to map talent from a specific company on LinkedIn and see who is open to work for new opportunities. That is also done. Also, this part we can use as a low-level insights to generate the low-level insight. And then how to generate insights and know the pool available in market for each and every job family that we have done today. So this part, the first part, you can use it for the low-level insight. Second part, you can then use it for the high-level insight. How to message anyone on LinkedIn without getting connected with them done. Magic of LinkedIn with hashtags, pretty much we have done. Simple AI tool that we can use on LinkedIn post for better engagement. That is Righty and Reply. Two tools last week we have done. So last week. Similarly, tidy for LinkedIn Recruiter and how to utilize every feature. Last week we have done. Insert search in search with or within across projects, insights, and more. Last week we have already done. So here, all text sourcing, GitHub, we are done. Stack Overflow, we are yet to do it. But data miner, we have pretty much did this morning. Stack Overflow, we'll do it next week. Stack and all stack. But in weekday batch, it's already done. Whole web sourcing using Open Web, Dribble, Behance. That's pretty much many times we have done like in URL, profile, web, CV, all those things. Not much in that. So how to use free seek out this morning we have done, but if we don't have access, then I really can't help. But if you have access, if you are able to manage to get the access, nothing like it. Then how to use Margo or Merge for email reach out and for a better response rate. We'll do it next week. Using data miner, done. Finding email IDs via Chrome extension. Already SalesQL we have done, but additional Chrome extension also. How do you go and find that? We'll do it again one more time. Then playing with contact syncs, email, phone number, magic of contact syncing. This morning we have done. Even in weekday, we have completed that. Google search filter like image search, result sorting, that's a 5 to 10 minutes of time we'll do it. Then AI tools and extension to simplify repeated tasks. Next week, be stay tuned for this. This is going to be an interesting stuff for you. And then ChatGPT and part for recruiters and sourcers will do it. How to create market intel report, we have just completed. Understanding problem statement, real-time scenario, faced frequently while sourcing. Then how and where to identify some cool apps, design thinking for sourcer, and exploring some sourcing forums. So within next Saturday, Sunday, whatever is pending is there, everything we can definitely complete it. Initial 2, 3 slides were definitely slow and difficult to learn, but that is actually required. That is where the whole depth and breadth is there. This and all is just high level stuff. We can, if you're able to do this initial 3 slides hands-on, then rest everything is just the cakewalk. All right, team. Till here, if you're able to do hands-on, rest everything will be a cakewalk and is a cakewalk. All these are tools and Chrome extensions. It will not take much time. Does it work, team?
Definitely, Shiv.
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sure.
Yes.
Yeah. So maybe
Yeah.
by
Yes,
next
very
weekend,
much.
we'll complete our sessions. But I hope like each one of you have enjoyed the trainings and definitely level 3 certification who has already completed. I'm going to share it from tomorrow. The new format which I have shared it with a Microsoft logo and all. And also we're in a process of getting ISO certified as well NESCOM accredited, but that will take some time, around 1 to 2 months, but not so far. But definitely you have
Shiv, now
all those
challenge is
brands.
like challenge is if Google opens a one recruiter position, all the 100 people applies means who is the perfect, he'll get into that company. That's all.
No, you tell me now. Once the hiring starts, you tell me. I'll refer it from my network only.
Sure, definitely.
Right now, definitely hiring is slow. Till then, just keep practicing on.
Yeah.
And once it resumes, count on me.
Sure, definitely. That's what challenge is now. I, from a sourcing expert only, everybody is there. No, everybody applies for one position. It's tough to get the job.
No,
The
no, it's
competition
not
too much.
tough. It's not tough. Not yet. We have not reached that scale yet. But definitely, if our people are getting selected, nothing like it.
Yeah, understood. Thanks for a lot of information, which made us like more perfect in the recruitment industry.
It is needed, in fact.
Yeah.
That's all. See, this everything is can't be learned over a period of night. Means though we have completed in last 2.5 months, we started in July 4th week, and now we are already in October 2nd week, and going to complete in October 3rd week. That means almost a 3 months of training it is. But I would still say, even if you have got scored an excellent, even if you have done the practice, still 3 months is not enough. It
Correct.
has to be a continuous effort.
Correct. And you are doing a handhold for everyone. That is the advantage. So compared to training is everybody will give, but hand holding is very different.
Okay,
That's
now
what I
we had
feel.
another person, Elvin Johnson. He says, till custom CSC is only more than enough for me. I'm building my own custom CSCs. I'm getting results. From my first closure itself, I got the revenue of around 5 lakhs. And there's another closure where the person is going to join soon. Then that's the additional revenue. Look at the ROI he was telling. I was like, wow. So it's not necessary that you clear the test, but yeah,
Correct.
whatever, if you're putting it into the practice and gaining a benefit out of it, nothing like it. He was like telling he hasn't renewed Insta or Naukri for this year. I was like, wow, this is amazing.
Correct. Agree on that.
Hmm?
Agree. I'll agree on that. Not required. Like Naukri is not at all required.
For at least for tech roles, for 80% of the role, if I have to tell you, for tech means 100% not required.
Correct.
But yeah, your company has a tech, non-tech and all, but 80% of the role, it's not required. Maybe for 20%, which are like very traditional, like AS400, COBOL, JCL, maybe for those
Niche
skills.
area, it is not required. Shiv. See, mine is niche area. Mine is very niche area. We work on a fixed broadband wireless technology. Very few companies are in the industry. We need to pick